Welcome class, how are you? Well, this is going to be like our video about the contents of the corresponding class for March 26 of the 2020. Okay, good people. What are we going to do? The idea of this video is to guide you a little bit through the contents that we have in the platform. Okay, how is it going to be like? The idea is that for tomorrow we are not going to have like the synchronous session, but this is why I have decided to give you like this video. I don't want to give you like so much information that you feel that you are so bad with a lot of things, with a lot of work to do. I want you to feel like more relaxed. And this is why, well, tomorrow's class is going to be based mostly on this video and in the activities that you are going to find in there. Okay, good. People, activity number 1 is going to be the forum, okay? So, what is the forum going to be about? There you have it as a question, yes. And, well, what is going to be the idea? Number 1. You need to create a post in the forum in order to answer the following question. What is the question? Question is, how do video games affect your brain? So perhaps you say, well, no idea about it. There you are going to find the link of a YouTube video in which you are going to find like a point of view, one of the possible points of view. I want you to watch the video. Why? Well, because you can get there like more information to have set your forum participation, okay? So, number 1, watch the video. Does it make sense to you? I mean, do you think that playing video games can affect your brain in a positive or in a negative way? Well, there have been like many studies and many people have said that video games are beneficial, for example, to learn reflexes or to be in contact with the body, I don't know, to create awareness about the environment. Also, some others have said that they are very good for learning languages. Well, we have had like many students who have had like a very good performance in languages by learning English playing video games. I don't know. That is going to be like mostly your point of view, the one that you are going to develop here in the forum. Good. What is the position of the speaker? Do you think that the presentation or the guy that is presenting the video is having like a positive point of view, or maybe not that positive, maybe not favoring like the use of video games for young people? Okay, so who do you agree with is going to be your question. Do you think that they are positive or negative? I don't know. That's your question, is your choice. Good. You are going to write 150 words post in the forum presenting that point of view. Yes. And later you need to reply to your partner's discussion. So, how are you going to reply? What kind of expressions you are going to be using in order to make the responses to your partners? Number 1, I totally agree. When you say I totally agree, it's because you have a positive point of view towards the subject and you know exactly what you have to do. Good. I highly disagree. Is to say I totally disagree. My point of view is that video games are very beneficial, but they are never negative, or they can never be prejudicial to the development of the brain of a kid or of young people. Good, I don't know. I think that could be like a word to say. I think that video games are positive, negative, addictive, entertaining, a possibility to develop more intelligence. I don't know. Good. I recommend you can make a recommendation to your partner to say, I don't know, I recommend you a video, I recommend you a book, or whatever material you can think that could be useful in regards to set a point of view about it. Good? Okay. Remember that your writing should meet the following criteria. And what is going to be the criteria? Number one, communication and content. I want that you produce a significant opinion, just not that I think, oh no, I think that video games are beautiful and that's it. And then you go like, what else is needed to say? Okay? Good. So I want you to be very creative. I want you to be very proactive. Good. Criteria number two. The criteria number two is going to be the use of language. How do you communicate in English? How is your writing? Are your ideas clear? Does they have like the cohesion and coherence to be appropriate and to be understandable for the reader? Other criterion is going to be mechanics. How do you use the spelling, punctuation, capitalization, the use of language. Do you use properly the tenses or not? And well, later I am going to be sending you like the rubric in which you can read in detail like how, what do you need to include. Yes? Okay, good. This photo, it's an evaluation activity. Yes? So this is why it's really, really important. Teacher, when do we have to finish the photo? April the 2nd. There it is in the upper part of your screen. As soon as you open the task, you are going to see right there on the left side, fecha de entrega 2 de abril. Okay? I hope that this is clear. Okay? Good. Let's go back to our part of trabajo de clase. Good. Second, you have something called there the PET exam. You are going to tell me, okay, what is that? What is the PET exam? Do you know what is a proficiency exam? Well, maybe not. I am going to try to explain you in short words. It's these exams that you use to measure your proficiency in English, okay? To certify your English practice. I mean, what is your level of English? If your level is A1, A2, B1, for example, when you are going to do a master's degree in a different country, you need to certify your English. So, as a part of our teaching plan, one of the things that we need to know or to learn about is about how to deal with these sort of exams. Good. So, remember, what would be the recommendation that you would try to make the practice? Well, there is a practice. You are going to find 2 links. Link number 1 explain you what is the PET exam. There, they provide you that they have like the 4 parts or the 4 skills that can be evaluated. There you find like what are the sessions, how much time do you need to devote to each one of the sessions, and on the right part of your screen you are going to have like the abilities reading, writing, listening and speaking. There are some quizzes or some exams to practice. You can click for example on reading. Once you click in there you are going to find different tests. Obviously, you don't need to make all of the tests of the page because that is a lot, but I need you to send me a screenshot of a test that you practice in there, whatever the skill that you want, that you feel, that you really would like to practice on. I need you to include it right there in the platform, okay? Good. Number 2, you need to present the mock exam, okay? You need to follow the website recommendations. They provide you like with an order in which you are supposed to answer the questions. Good. Later, you are going to present the mock test exam. There is a second link. There you are going to go directly into the tests. So, when you finish, you take a screenshot, okay? And you send it to me. It's just to know that you have been practicing, okay? People, as you can see, the class is very simple. So first part of it is going to be like for you to watch the video. Well, we don't have like anything else to say. Remember to upload a screenshot of your practice. And it's very important that you would do that, okay? The photo, remember, that is an evaluation activity. I want you to take it carefully, that you work on it, that you can ask me questions. Remember that you have the platform to send me questions, and you can send me an email, and right there we can figure out what could be the problems that you have. Okay, people, saying this, remember, tomorrow there is no online class. Well, there is no synchronous class because this would actually work as a class. And well, whatever the questions, anything you need, please contact me to my email. Remember that you can also, well, oh my god, I just forgot something, that are the DCOM tasks. Okay, I want you to start working on the DCOM task, and also that you can send me a screenshot as an evidence that you are working in those. Okay, please let me know if you have any questions. I highly recommend you to do these two activities. All you need to do is watch the video, work on the activities, and that's it. Guys, thank you very much. I highly encourage you to stay home. Please do not go out. Take care of yourselves, take care of your family, and see you very soon, okay? Take care. Bye bye.